We need 1/2 kilo of ground pork, 1 beaten egg, salt and pepper to taste, minced garlic, minced onion, minced carrot, and celery. So we just need to combine all the ingredients. So here I use only half of the onion because this is already 2 onions which I will use later. After adding salt and pepper, we just need to mix our meat mixture for the ingredients to be well incorporated. And then let's add the egg. And mix again. While doing this, I already boiled our cabbage for about 2 to 3 minutes in water and pepper and salt. Now we're ready to wrap our cabbage roll. I put 1 to 2 tablespoons of our meat mixture and roll it just like wrapping a Shanghai roll. I just put a toothpick to secure our cabbage. And do the same for the rest of the cabbage. Once done, we will steam our cabbage roll for about 20 to 25 minutes. Ta-da! And our cabbage roll is now ready. This is the most exciting part, the food tasting. Let's see how it tastes. So for the sauce, I use 1 tablespoon or 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of amino cocos and 1 calamansi. The meat is just right to taste. So yummy. Kain tayo. And for the second batch of cabbage roll, I added 1 teaspoon of fish sauce and 1 medium bell pepper to enhance the flavor of our cabbage roll. Masarap din siya. Mas enhance yung flavor ng ating cabbage roll. So yummy. Try nyo rin, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!